just staring at something and being like, that needs to change. The way that we think about our products is the same way that you did. The quality that you guys are able to deliver in a very difficult product to make. And that's the same thing that we have too. It's like, how do you take a product that's traditionally the same and make it custom for somebody or make it their own experience?
I think the 1016 has the best kits out there because they more exaggerate the lines of the car and the details of the vehicles. Inozetek has almost every single one of my cars wrapped in their film. I think it looks really cool because it's nothing like anyone else has.
The goal was to change the public perception of what vinyl wrap was truly capable of. Both brands, we share a similar philosophy of delivering clean, OEM-inspired designs that really work to elevate builds and just add more character. I'm happy clients are now going to have more of an incentive to take a dive with their next build and pair up both brands.